Now we will discuss post-event wrap-up, evaluating and documenting. The contents will be introduction, purpose of post-event wrap-up, components, attendee engagement, vendor and partner feedback, documentation, financial reports, challenges and conclusion. Introduction. As the curtains close on an event, the post-event wrap-up becomes a critical phase in the event planning journey. This stage involves a reflective process of evaluating the event's success, documenting key insights, and paving the way for continuous improvement. In this academic exploration, we delve into the intricacies of the post-event wrap-up, highlighting the significance of evaluations and documentation in shaping the future landscape of event planning. Debriefing session. Conducting a thorough debriefing session with the event team is essential. This provides an opportunity to discuss what worked well, areas for improvement, and any unexpected challenges that arose during the event. Honest and constructive feedback from team members contributes to continuous learning. Financial reconciliation. Review and reconcile the event's financial aspects, comparing actual expenses and revenue against the budget. This financial overview provides insights into the event's profitability, cost effectiveness, and areas where financial adjustments may be needed for future planning. Documentation review. Review and organize all event documentation, ensuring that essential materials such as participant lists, speaker presentations, and promotional materials are archived systematically. This documentation serves as a historical record and a reference for future events. Reflection on lessons learned. Document lessons learned from the event, encompassing successes, challenges, and unforeseen circumstances. This reflective process provides valuable insights that can be applied to enhance planning processes and mitigate challenges in subsequent events. The purpose of post-event wrap-up. The post-event wrap-up serves as a transitional phase from the dynamic execution of an event to a reflective process. It is a dedicated time for event planners to step back, assess the event's performance, and gain insights for enhancing future endeavors. Learning from experiences. Central to the post-event wrap-up is the concept of learning from experiences. This phase acknowledges that every event, whether a success or facing challenges, provides valuable lessons. The post-event wrap-up transforms these lessons into actionable insights, contributing to a culture of continuous improvement. Another crucial purpose of the post-event wrap-up is the collection and analysis of feedback. This involves gathering insights from participants, sponsors, and the event team. The feedback process offers a nuanced understanding of attendee satisfaction, potential areas of improvement, and the overall experience for stakeholders. Analyzing this feedback provides organizers with actionable insights that can be used to refine future events and enhance participant experiences. Financial assessment is also integral to the post-event wrap-up. Organizers review and reconcile the financial aspects of the event, including expenses, revenue, and adherence to the budget. This financial scrutiny not only informs organizers about the cost effectiveness and profitability of the event, but also guides financial planning for subsequent events, ensuring financial sustainability and responsible resource management. Lessons learned documentation serves as a valuable outcome of the post-event wrap-up. By documenting both successes and challenges, organizers create a repository of insights that inform strategic planning for future events. This repository allows organizers to identify areas for improvement, refine processes, and implement strategies to mitigate challenges, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and adaptability within the event management framework. Lastly, the post-event wrap-up contributes to post-event marketing and communication. Sharing event highlights, participant testimonials, and key takeaways helps maintain engagement beyond the event's duration. This strategic communication builds anticipation for future editions, enhances the event's online presence, and further solidifies its positive impact in the eyes of participants and stakeholders. In a sense, the post-event wrap-up is a comprehensive and reflective process that plays a pivotal role in the ongoing success and refinement of event management efforts. Components of post-event wrap-up: attendee feedback. Attendee feedback forms a cornerstone of post-event evaluations. Surveys and feedback mechanisms capture the participant experience, including satisfaction levels, preferences, and areas for improvement. Analyzing this feedback provides a direct insight into the event's impact on its intended audience. Performance metrics. Performance metrics encompass quantitative data related to the event's success. These metrics may include attendance numbers, engagement rates, and revenue generated. Assessing performance metrics offers a quantitative perspective, providing a numerical basis for evaluating the event's overall effectiveness. Evaluating attendee feedback: qualitative insights. Attendee feedbacks offers qualitative insights into the attendee experience. Qualitative data, expressed through comments and testimonials, provides a nuanced understanding of what worked well and areas that may require improvement. These insights offer a window into the emotional impact of the event on participants. Identifying strengths and weaknesses. Systematically analyzing attendee feedback helps in identifying the strengths and weaknesses of the event. Positive feedback highlights aspects that resonated with attendees, while constructive criticism points to areas that may need attention. This identification process forms the basis for targeted improvements in future events. Themes and trends. Attendee feedback often reveals emerging themes and trends. Understanding these themes helps event planners stay attuned to changing preferences and expectations. Whether it's a preference for interactive sessions or a demand for specific content, recognizing emerging themes informs future event programming. Vendor and partner feedback. Beyond participant perspectives, vendor and partner feedback contribute to a holistic evaluation. Understanding the experiences of those involved in the event's execution, such as sponsors and vendors, shed light on collaboration, dynamics, logistical efficiency, and the overall effectiveness of partnerships. Vendor and partner feedback: logistical efficiency. Vendor and partner feedback often provides insights into the logistical efficiency of the event. Evaluating how well vendors executed their responsibilities, the quality of services provided, and overall collaboration dynamics contributes to defining logistical plans for future events. Partnership effectiveness. Assessing the effectiveness of partnerships involves understanding the value derived by both parties. Were sponsors satisfied with their visibility and impact? Did partnerships contribute positively to the event's success? Analyzing this feedback aids in nurturing effective and mutually beneficial relationships. Communication and collaboration. Feedback from vendors and partners sheds light on communication and collaboration dynamics. Clear communication channels, timely information sharing, and collaborative problem solving contribute to efficient event execution. Understanding areas of improvement in these aspects refines collaboration strategies for future events. Documentation. Post-event reports. Post-event reports consolidate the findings from evaluations and form comprehensive documents. These reports document the event's objectives, key performance indicators, attendee feedback, and any notable incidents. Post-event reports serve as a historical record and a valuable reference for future planning. Objectives and key performance indicators. Post-event reports start by revisiting the objectives and key performance indicators set for the event. This retrospective analysis helps in understanding whether the event met its intended goals and provides a basis for future objective setting. Comparative analysis. Comparative analysis involves comparing the actual outcomes of the event against the planned expectations. By examining what was anticipated versus what was achieved, event planners gain valuable insights into areas of success and potential improvement. This comparative analysis sets the stage for refining planning strategies in subsequent events. Attendee demographics and feedback. Post-event reports delve into attendee demographics and feedback, offering a comprehensive understanding of the event's audience. Analyzing demographics helps in tailoring future events to a specific audience characteristics. Incorporating attendee feedback into the report ensures that the participant perspective is central to the evaluation process. Performance metrics and financial analysis. The quantitative aspects of the event, including performance metrics and financial analysis, are presented in detail. This section of the report provides a numerical snapshot of the event's success, highlighting areas of achievement and pointing to metrics that may require attention in future planning. Lessons learned documentation. A specific focus of post-event documentation is capturing lessons learned. This includes insights gained from challenges faced, successes achieved, and unexpected occurrences. Lessons learned documentation provides event planners with a repository of knowledge to inform decision-making in subsequent events. Successes and achievements. Lessons learned documentation begins by acknowledging successes and achievements. What worked exceptionally well in the event? Identifying and celebrating successes ensures that these positive elements are recognized and can be replicated in future events. Challenges faced. Equally important is documenting challenges faced during the event. From logistical hurdles to unexpected issues, understanding the challenges provides a basis for developing proactive strategies to mitigate similar issues in subsequent events. Adaptations and solutions. Documenting how the team adapted to challenges and the solutions implemented is a crucial aspect. This section outlines the team's resilience and problem-solving capabilities, offering insights into effective strategies that can be employed in the face of unforeseen circumstances. Financial reports. Financial reports are integral components of post-event documentation. They provide a detailed account of the event's budget versus actual expenses, revenue generated, and any financial challenges encountered. Analyzing financial reports contributes to more accurate budgeting and resource allocation in future events. Financial reports. Ensuring fiscal responsibility budget versus actual expenses. Financial reports start by comparing the budgeted expenses against the actual expenditures. Identifying any budgetary variances helps in refining future budgeting strategies and ensures more accurate financial planning for subsequent events. Revenue streams analysis. Understanding the source of revenue and their contribution to the overall financial picture is crucial. Revenue streams analysis identifies which aspects of the event generated the most income and informs decisions on optimizing revenue generation in future events. Cost-benefit analysis. A cost-benefit analysis evaluates the returns achieved in relation to the costs incurred. This analysis contributes to understanding the efficiency of resource allocation, guiding decisions on where investments yield the most significant benefits for the event. Challenges in post-event wrap-up and mitigation strategies. Incomplete data collection. One challenge in post-event wrap-up is incomplete data collection. To address this, event planners should implement robust data collection mechanisms during the event, including real-time surveys and feedback channels. Proactive data collection ensures a comprehensive evaluation. Limited stakeholder engagement. Limited engagement from stakeholders in the post-event wrap-up is another challenge. Encouraging active participation through targeted surveys and follow-up discussions ensures that perspectives from all stakeholders, including attendees, sponsors, and vendors, are considered in the evaluation process. Utilizing technology in post-event wrap-up social media monitoring tools. Leverage social media monitoring tools to track event-related discussions, mentions, and participant sentiments across various platforms. Analyzing social media data provides organizers with valuable insights into the event's online presence and participant engagement, shaping post-event communication and marketing strategies. Project management platforms. Use project management platforms for team collaboration during the post-event wrap-up. These tools facilitate effective communication among team members, document sharing, and task tracking. Organizers can coordinate seamlessly, ensuring that responsibilities are assigned and post-event activities progress smoothly. Cloud-based storage solutions. Opt for cloud-based storage solutions for secure and accessible archiving of event materials. Storing documents, presentations, and reports in the cloud ensures that the entire organizing team has easy access to necessary files, fostering collaboration and information sharing during the wrap-up phase. AI-driven reporting tools. Explore AI-driven reporting tools that automate the generation of post-event reports. These tools can analyze data, identify trends, and generate comprehensive reports, saving time and ensuring that organizers have access to valuable insights quickly. Video conferencing for debrief sessions. Conduct virtual debrief sessions using video conferencing platforms. This allows team members who may be located remotely to actively participate in discussions. Video conferencing tools facilitate face-to-face interactions, enhancing the quality and effectiveness of post-event debriefings. Collaborative documentation tools. Utilize collaborative documentation tools that enable real-time editing and commenting on documents. This fosters efficient collaboration among team members during the documentation and analysis of lessons learned, ensuring that insights are captured and refined collectively. Survey and feedback tools. Technology plays a pivotal role in post-event evaluations through the use of survey and feedback tools. Online platforms facilitate the efficient collection of attendee feedback, allowing for real-time responses and comprehensive data analysis. Data analytics software. Data analytics software aids in processing and analyzing large sets of quantitative data, including performance metrics and financial reports. Utilizing such tools enhances the efficiency of post-event data analysis, providing actionable insights for future planning. In conclusion, the post-event wrap-up is not just a conclusion, but a continuum of improvement in the realm of event planning. Evaluating the event's success through attendee feedback, performance metrics, and financial analysis provides a holistic view of its impact. Documentation, encompassing post-event reports and lessons learned, ensures that insights are captured and translated into actionable strategies. Challenges in the post-event wrap-up, from incomplete data collection to limited stakeholder engagement, can be mitigated through proactive measures and leveraging technology. The integration of technology in surveys, data analytics, and communication channels enhances the efficiency and accuracy of the evaluation process. Real-world case studies illustrate the transformative power of insights derived from post-event evaluation. Whether it's implementing attendee feedback, refining logistical plans, or optimizing revenue generation, the post-event wrap-up becomes a springboard for continuous improvement. As event planners navigate the dynamic landscape of post-event wrap-up, they contribute not only to the success of individual events, but also to the evolution of event planning as a whole. The process of learning from experiences, documenting insights, and implementing improvements creates a cyclical journey of refinement and growth. The components of post-event wrap-up, including evaluations, documentation, and financial reports, serve as pillars supporting this journey. Attendee feedback provides a human-centric perspective, allowing planners to understand the emotional impact of the event on participants. Performance metrics and financial analysis offer quantitative benchmarks, aiding in strategic decision-making for future events. Lessons learned documentation goes beyond the quantitative, capturing the nuances of successes, challenges, and adaptive strategies. It becomes a living repository of knowledge, guiding event planners through the complexities of decision-making in subsequent endeavors. Financial reports ensure fiscal responsibility, allowing for informed resource allocation and budgeting. Challenges in post-event wrap-up are not roadblocks, but opportunities for improvement. Proactive measures such as comprehensive data collection during the event and increased stakeholder engagement address these challenges and enhance the effectiveness of the evaluation process. In a sense, the post-event wrap-up is a testament to the commitment of event planners to continuous improvement. It goes beyond the conclusion of a single event, forming a bridge to the next planning cycle. Each evaluation, each document, and each lesson learned contribute to a collective knowledge base that propels the industry forward.